Bonjour tout le monde, I am Pearl and welcome back to my channel, My French Story, the place to be to learn French, so make sure that you subscribe. Today, I am going to share with you one simple trick to help you improve your fluency in French. How can you become more fluent? Well, I have one tip that is going to help you practice your fluency in French, and hey, you don't even need a partner. So let's dive into the video. So the one trick that I want to share with you, it's actually a method that I am using with my own students. It's called the JAM method. So it's not the jam you eat. JAM stands for just a minute. So for just a minute, you are going to speak French. So you will pick a topic or you will answer a question. And for a minute, you will have to talk. But here you have to respect 3 rules. The first rule is that you can't prepare, okay? You can't have any notes. The second rule is that you can't repeat yourself. And the third rule is that you cannot stop. So if you have a mind blank, if you don't know what to say, you have to keep speaking French. Even if there are words that are not making any sense in a sentence, but as long as it is French, we're taking it. So let's choose a topic. So I have decided to talk about family. And the question is, parlez-moi de votre famille. Parlez-moi de votre famille. So for 1 minute, I will have to talk about my family. So I am going to grab my laptop with my timer and we'll do a jam together. Okay, I have my laptop here with my timer. So I am going to talk about my family for a minute. Let's go. Ok, alors je vais vous parler de ma famille. Alors dans ma famille, il y a mes parents, il y a également mon grand frère et ma petite sœur. Alors, comme je n'ai rien préparé, je ne sais pas exactement ce que je vais dire. Alors, je continue de parler et je vais commencer à avoir petit à petit des idées. Alors, je vais continuer de parler. Je vais parler tout d'abord de mon frère puis de ma sœur. Alors, mon frère habite à Paris, il a 30 ans. Et ma petite sœur habite également à Paris et elle a 17 ans, mais ils n'habitent pas ensemble. Mes parents sont à la retraite et ils habitent dans le sud de la France. Ma famille est une famille assez classique. Ensemble, nous aimons énormément voyager. Donc nous voyageons ensemble pendant les vacances et puis comme j'habite en Australie, j'essaie de rentrer en France le plus souvent possible pour pouvoir partir en vacances avec eux. Ah 1 minute, I did a little bit over. I did 1 minute and 7 seconds. So guys, doing this minute was hard, even for myself, because you have to think about what you are going to say. So when I didn't know what to say, I kept talking. I kept talking until I had ideas. So now it's time for the phase 2 of the exercise. We've done our first jam and now we know that, okay, we need to really think about what we are going to say. So in my case, I talked about my parents, I talked about my brother and my sister. So now I am going to take notes. In phase 2, you can take notes. So I am going to take some notes to add some ideas. So now I know that I am talking about my brother and I'm talking about my sister and my parents. So I am going to add what I like to do with my brother, for example, what I do with my sister, what I do with my parents. So by adding a bit more information, I will be able normally to speak for a minute without having a moment where I don't know what to say. So we are going to do another jam session. This time I have my ideas, so I will be able to speak a little bit more. So let's do it. Okay, so once again, I have my laptop here with my timer. Let's do a second jam. Alors, parlez-nous de votre famille. Alors, dans ma famille, il y a mes parents, il y a également mon grand frère et ma petite sœur. Alors, toute ma famille est en France et moi, j'habite en Australie. Mais par exemple, avec mon frère, j'aime beaucoup faire du shopping. Il adore la mode et moi aussi. Donc, quand je suis avec lui, nous faisons toujours les magasins et c'est toujours un super moment. Avec ma sœur, c'est un peu différent. Elle adore voyager. Alors, c'est avec elle que je voyage. Elle vient de temps en temps me voir en Australie, mais la plupart du temps, nous voyageons ensemble en Australie. Enfin, avec mes parents, c'est un peu plus délicat. Ils n'aiment pas voyager et ils n'aiment pas trop les magasins. Alors bon, on essaye de faire des choses à la maison. Nous adorons regarder la télé ensemble, surtout les émissions de cuisine, car mes parents adorent cuisiner. Et pour être honnête, c'est eux qui cuisinent et pas moi. Moi, je préfère regarder. Whew! We did it! Okay, 1 minute, 5 seconds. So here you see, I had more things to say because I put down my ideas. I knew that for each family member, I would say what I like to do with them. So now it's time for phase 3. In phase 3, we can add even more details. I can go a little bit deeper. So I said what I like to do with my brother, with my sister, with my parents. Now I can talk a little bit more about their personality. And you will see I will easily have a minute. So let's do it one more time. So now I have my laptop and we are going to do the jam. This is the last phase when we have the ideas and now we have added some more details. So now I should have enough to talk for a minute, even more. So let's see how I go this time. Alors, parlez-nous de votre famille. Oui, bien sûr. Alors, dans ma famille, il y a mes parents, il y a également mon grand frère et ma petite sœur. Toute ma famille habite en France et moi, j'habite en Australie. Alors, avec mon frère, nous adorons faire les magasins car il adore la mode. C'est une personne qui aime beaucoup exprimer qui il est à travers ses vêtements et je l'admire énormément pour ça. Alors, nous faisons du shopping ensemble. Il me donne énormément de conseils. Je l'adore, j'adore mon frère. Il y a également ma petite sœur. Alors, avec ma petite sœur, c'est différent parce que ma petite sœur, elle est beaucoup plus extravertie. Elle adore voyager et elle adore se mettre des défis. Par exemple, un de ses défis était de voyager dans tous les pays du monde. Malheureusement, avec Covid, c'est un peu difficile, mais je l'admire énormément pour ça parce que moi, quelquefois, je suis un peu peureuse. Alors avoir une sœur qui est aussi courageuse, c'est très inspirant. Donc avec ma sœur, nous voyageons énormément et nous voyageons en Europe principalement. Enfin, il y a... Ouh là 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 là! So here, 1 minute, 11 seconds. I went a little bit over and you see... I didn't even talk about my parents yet. I managed to do a minute talking about my brother, talking about my sister, and I didn't even have time, to talk about my parents. So just to show you, by doing this exercise, it will help you think about things to say. And also, it will help you practice your speaking by yourself. You don't need anybody else to do conversation with you. And also, you will see as you get better, you will be able to speak 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Try to challenge yourself. Because, for example, myself, in English, I can speak for hours and you will have to stop me because when you have the ability to speak for a long time, this is where you start seeing that you have the fluency. I can have a conversation with someone for more than just 2 minutes because you practiced before. So here, try the jam. Let me know how you go. Can you speak for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, even more, hours? Let me know everything in the comments. So guys, I did not invent the jam method. I wish, but I did not. I found the jam method online and I felt that it was an amazing way for people to practice their speaking skills. So I will put the link of this video in the description box down below. So guys, I hope this video was useful. Please let me know in the comment section box down below. How many minutes can you speak without stopping? Can you do 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Let me know everything in the comment section box down below. Also, if you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss anything. That's it for me and I see you very soon for another video. Salut!